Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you step-by-step process how you can easily fix the slow loading download folder in Windows 11. So what you want to do is, if you would, let's go to File Explorer and let me show you. You would go to Quick Access and you see the download. Right click on the download, click Properties, and then you will customize here, optimize this folder for general items. And I know what you have, but have like general items here, and click on it, click apply, and this is pretty much it how we can do it. So if this video helped you guys, write down below in the comments, so when other people come here they will know that it's like worth it to watch it. And yeah, thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.